Hey guys, this is Wei here at Johnson RV in Fife, Washington. Today we're going to be doing a walkthrough inside this 2014 Leisure Travel Free Spirit SS. It's a real neat coach. They don't make these guys anymore, so it's pretty rare. So we'll start off with the exterior here. As you can see, it's Leisure Travel, so you get that nice light cabinetry, but we'll touch on that in a bit. It's on the Mercedes chassis. Up top you'll notice there's a integrated awning, so it doesn't stick out the side like a lot of coaches. It's a neat little feature. You don't have to worry about running into a tree branch or something. Back here you got a spare tire, and it's real neat how they did the storage on this guy. You'll notice both doors open, and they have a little storage bin in the side here. Spare tire there. And you got the backup camera up top. What's neat about this guy is it's one of the only Class Bs out there that actually has a slide. So it gives you a bit extra room. This coach had a few upgrades put into it, so you'll notice there's side cameras as well. That makes it real easy when you're switching lanes. It'll show you all down the rig, so you don't have to worry about running into anything. So we're gonna go inside. Got a nice screen door here. What's cool about this model in particular with the slide out, you got a real big Murphy bed, and I'll demo that in a minute. Got dimmable lighting, and it's a Leisure Travel, so everything's top shelf. Nice deep sink there. It's all handcrafted cabinetry, and you get just a lot of room and storage in a model like this. It's also one of the only Class Bs that has a dry bath. That's one of the complaints I have from some customers about Class Bs is they only come with a wet bath option. This is one of the only ones made that actually has a dry bath. Nice big storage here. And that's where your clothes would hang. We'll go into the bathroom. It's a porcelain toilet. Nice size shower with the skylight for people that are a little bit taller. And you actually get a real door with this guy too, so. Nice size fridge. You got a convection microwave. Let's see how this bed works. Just like that. This coach is already pre-wired with the wine guard. The previous owners put a bit of money into it too, so you got a nice big screen. It's a little aftermarket, gives you a little bit more visibility with your cameras. Again, my name's Wei. I'm here at Johnson RV in Fife, Washington. If you'd like to know more about this coach, just give us a call.